Fun Palaces is a cultural campaign. It takes place in local communities all across the world, and it's all about sharing skills and talents and celebrating creativity. It's a chance to learn new things, meet new people, and just to do things that are a bit different to what you would normally do on a Saturday or Sunday afternoon. The Elizabeth Blackwell Institute at the University of Bristol nurtures health research across all disciplines, and we're involved in this campaign because we truly believe that our researchers connecting with the public strengthens their research, and Fun Palaces is a really great way for them to do that. Fun Palaces this year will be happening on the weekend of the 5th and 6th of October, and we'd love as many people as possible to get involved. It's going to be in venues across the city, and it's a great chance to meet new people and do something fun. So please check the website for more info.